A warm good morning to everyone. Today I have come here with the GK questions part 2. First question is, who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Answer, Dayananda Saraswati. Second question, in which state does the sun first enter India? Answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Pradesh. Third question. Bihu is the famous festival of which state? Answer, Assam. Assam. Fourth question. Who was the first Governor General of India? Answer, William Bentinck. William Bentinck. Now, the fifth question is, in which country was paper invented? Answer, China. In China country, the paper was invented. What was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha? Answer, Siddharth. Siddharth. Seventh question. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Force in India? Answer, President. 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 Eighth question. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Answer, vitamin A. Question number 9. Pongal is the famous festival of which state of India? Answer, Tamil Nadu. Tamil, Tamil, and Nadu, Nadu. Who invented television? Answer, Johann Logie Babbage. John Johann, Logie Logie, Babbage Babbage. Now question number 11. First and last woman ruler of India is who? Ria Sultan. Razia. Rizia Sultan. Sultan. Question number 12. Who gave the slogan Inquilab Zindabad? Answer, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh. Question number 13. When and where did Jallianwala Bagh massacre happen? Answer, in 1919 AD, Amritsar. 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 Question number 14. Which party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose after leaving the Congress in 1939? Answer, Forward Bloc. Question number 15. Who is known as Punjab Keshari? Answer, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala, Rajpat, Lajpat, Rai Rai is known as Punjab Keshari. Who was the first woman governor of India? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 17. Brahma Samaj was founded by? Answer, Raja Rammohun Roy. Raja Rammohan, Ramohan, Roy Roy. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Answer, Swami Vivekanand. Swami, Swami, Vivekanand, Vivekanand. Question number 19. When did Vasco da Gama come into India? In 1498 AD, Vasco da Gama come into India. Question number 20. Where is the Hawa Mahal located? Answer, Jaipur. Jaipur, Jaipur. Question number 21. Which Sikh Guru is considered the founder of Sikhism? Guru Nanak. Answer will be Guru Nanak. Which is known as the Iron Man? Answer, Sardar Patel. Sardarphel. Question number 23. Who is the author of Mahabharata? Answer, Maharishi Ved Vyas. Maharishi, Maharishi, Ved, Vyas, Vyas. Question number 24. Who wrote a book called Arathastra? Arthastra. Answer will be Chaknaya, that is Kautilya. Chanakya, that is Kautilya. Question number 25. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan? Answer, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 26. On which date World Red Cross Day celebrated? Answer, on 8 May, World Red Cross Day is celebrated. Question number 27. Which country is known as country of sunrise? The answer will be Japan. Japan country is known as the country of sunrise. Question number 28. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8 March. Question number 29. Smallest state of India in terms of area is Goa. Question number 30. Onam is the famous festival of which state? Answer, Kerala. When did Delhi become the capital of India? The answer will be in 1911, the Delhi became the capital of India. In question number 32, what is the national sport of India? Answer, hockey. In question number 33, who wrote the national anthem of India? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 34, who first said Mahatma Gandhi as father of the nation? Answer, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and it is Netaji, Subhash, Subhash, Chandra, Bose, Bose. Question number 35. What is the duration of singing the national anthem? Answer, 52 seconds. Question number 36. Who invented X-ray? Answer, Conrad Roentgen. And that is C-O-N-R-A-D, Conrad, R-O-E-N-T-G-E-N, Roentgen. Question number 37. In which city was the first metro rail service started in India? Answer, in Kolkata, the first metro train was started in India? Question number 38. In which year did the train start in India? Answer. In 1853, the train started in India. Question number 39. Who was the first Indian astronaut? Answer. Squadron Leader Rakesh Sharma, SQUADRON, Leader LEADER, Rakesh RAKESS, SHARMA Sharma was the first Indian astronaut. Question number 40. First woman Chief Minister of India. Sucheta Kripalani. SUCHETA, Sucheta KRIPALANI. Question number 41. When was the United Nations established? Answer. The United Nations was established on 24 October 1945. Question number 42. Where is the headquarters of United States? Answer will be New York. Where is the International Court of Justice located? Answer. The Hague, Holland. The Hague in Holland. The HAGUE, Hague in Holland. When is Hindi Day celebrated? On 14th September, Hindi Day is celebrated. Question number 45. Which article of the Constitution declared Hindi as the national language? The answer will be the Article 343 of the Constitution declared Hindi as the national language. Question number 46. International Human Rights Day is celebrated on 10th December. Question number 47. Kaziranga National Sanctuary is in which state? Answer. Assam. Assam State. ASSAM. Question number 48. Where will the Olympic Game be held in 2020? In Tokyo, at Tokyo in Japan, the Olympic Game was held in 2020. Question number 49. Only Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics. Who was? Who was the only Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics? Answer will be Amartya Sen. AMARTYASEN. Amartya Sen. Question number 50. Who was the last Governor General of India? Answer. Raja Gopalachari. RAJAGOPALACHARI. Raja Gopalachari. Who founded the city Amritsar? Answer. Guru Ram Das. Question number 52. How many bones are there in human body? Answer. 206. Question number 53. Where is the Gateway of India located? Answer. Mumbai. When is the World Environment Day celebrated? On 5th June, the World Environment Day is celebrated. Who gave the slogan, "Do or Die"? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. Who gave the slogan, "Jai Hind"? Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the slogan, "Jai Hind". Who gave the slogan, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजाद दूंगा. Who gave the slogan तुम मुझे खून दो और मैं तुम्हें आजाद दूंगा? सुभाष चंद्र बोस. Who gave the slogan जय जवान जय किसान? Answer Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question Who is known as Napoleon of India? Answer Samudra Gupta. Question Who gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhi? G. Who gave the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the highest civilian honor of India? Bharat Ratna. Who is known as the Shakespeare of India? Answer Kalidas. Who is known as the father of computer? Answer Charles Babbage. Who built Sanchi Stupa? Answer Asoka. The Yamsi Mohan line is border between India and China. Which river is called Dakshin Ganga? Answer Godavari. Where is the only temple of Brahmaji in India? Pushkar in Rajasthan. What is the name of first Indian satellite? Aryabhatta. Which is the largest dam in India? Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam. How many Indian languages have been recognized in the 8th schedule of the Constitution? Answer 22 Indian languages have been recognized in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Who is called India Nightingale? Answer Sarojini Naidu. Question Where is the headquarters of SAARC SAARC? Kathmandu, Nepal. When is the National Science Day celebrated? National Science Day is celebrated on 28 February. Which instrument is used to measure BP? Sphygmomanometer. 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 Who presides over the joint sitting of the two houses of Parliament? Answer Lok Sabha Speaker. Which country is the largest producer of silver in the world? Answer Mexico. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? Vatican City. What is the capital of the Dadra and Nagar Haveli? Silvassa. Largest state of India in terms of area is Rajasthan. When is the Earth Day celebrated? On 22 April, Earth Day is celebrated. The Hopman Cup is related to which game? The Hopman Cup is related to tennis. How many spokes are there in Asok Chakra? There are 24 spokes in Asok Chakra. The smallest bone in human body is smallest bone in human body is steps, and the largest bone in the human body is F-E-M-U-R, FEMUR. First declaration of emergency in India. At the time of Chinese attack on 26 October 1962, first declaration of emergency in India was held. What is the old name of Sri Lanka? Ceylon, Ceylon. Who discovered vitamins? Kashmir Funk. Casimir, Kashmir, Funk, Funk. Where did Buddha give the first sermon? Answer, Sarnat, Sarnath. Sarnath. Which is the nearest planet to the Earth? Answer, Venus. Which gas is used in the treatment of cancer? Radon, radon gas. Who discovered the blood group? Karl Landsteiner, Karl, Landsteiner. Steiner. First artificial satellite was Sputnik-1. First artificial satellite was Sputnik 1. Sputnik-1. Where is the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India? In Mumbai. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is in Mumbai. Who was the first president of independent India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Approximately what percentage of the Earth's surface is water? 71%. With which country India shares longest border? Bangladesh. How many high courts are there in India? 25 high courts. Which state produces maximum saffron? Jammu and Kashmir. Who was the first Indian citizen to get Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, friends. Now this one is only for today. Thank you. And for your kind information, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Again, thank you.